What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, give the videos a like and make sure you comment on them. Let me know what you think of any of the builds that we have going on. So today I just stayed at home. I'm out power washing the back garden and I let the wife drive the Mini. Kind of shitting it a bit, but has to happen sometime. I'm just hoping I didn't create a monster because I can guarantee you she's going to have the time of her life in it. Either she's going to scratch a wheel, bang something off it, crash into something, or come home with a big smile on her face. So she's due home in the next 20 minutes or so. I'm just going to finish up here and I want to get her reaction of bringing it in the garden. So yeah, here's hoping everything goes well and see you in a second with her reaction. If anyone tells you it's not stressful letting someone else drive a car, even if it's your wife, that's what they can get. Absolute stress down my mind. I just hope she's okay. Car's replaceable, fixable, but the wife isn't. She left 40 minutes ago. Should I get nervous? The garden's still looking very empty. I'm not scared. It's okay. I love my wife. I'm kind of giving up now. It's 45 minutes and I feel like calling search and rescue for the wife car. But yeah, send help like now. And there she is. So the wife is too shy to be on camera, but she doesn't like the Mini. She doesn't like it at all. She said that the brake pedal is too hard. It's a Mini. How did it drive? Did you enjoy it? It wasn't grand, obviously. Didn't even use any petrol. It's not broken. Okay. You didn't break it.
Did you expect it?
I was shitting it. I was standing here and I was like 45 minutes standing here waiting for you to come around the corner. I'm like,
what time?
Fuck is she? You loosen my gear knob.
Yeah, because I'm this height.
Wait and see. I don't know what the story is with the seat. Wait one sec.
Right? Because I'm this height and I'm chained.
There's the handle there, right?
Yeah.
Pull it up and slide as hard as you can. Right, let's see if we can fix that. So I forgot the wife is 5 foot nothing, so the seat does slide. You have to like lean it forward, slide it back and then move it away from the roll cage and stuff. I don't need to worry about that because no one else drives the car, but she said she enjoyed it. I'm hoping she enjoyed it. She's there smiling at me. Like I said, did you Vtec it? Did you Vtec it? Did you Vtec it? What? Don't lie. Did you Vtec it? Did you Vtec it? I'm just gonna keep asking. Belgarda, yeah. Yeah, she Vtec'd it. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my seat back to the way I like it and adjust it and yeah, get it in the garden and give it a good old clean. Now that's it, back to gangster lean mode. I really do hope she enjoyed driving the car. Like it is a very hard car to drive with the Honda engine. The clutch you have to get used to, the brakes you have to get used to, and the accelerator you have to get used to because it's not like a mini accelerator. It's literally the cable driven to the Honda, so it's a bit tighter, so it's very hard to press. She drove it, she said she Vtec'd it. Really do hope she enjoyed it. So let's get this car cleaned and ready for Heatwave. I need to jack the car up and do a few repairs as well, and I'm also gonna detar all underneath behind the wheels, get it actually minty fresh. So the Mini is chilling out there while I do this. I'm just prepping this area because I need to jack the Mini up and change a few parts on it, so I want to make sure that the area that I'm working in is clean. Also, it's a bit of a mess from spillage and stuff from the other day. I changed rocker covers and stuff, so I just need to clean up the area before the wife kills me anyway. But let's get this done. So 2.5 hours later, all done. I just need to get all this pushed up and outside and down the drain. So I'm going to bring the Mini in, park it here so it doesn't get absolutely filthy with all this shit, and then get all this done and then get this ready for jacking it up and replacing loads of bits and pieces on it tomorrow. Now all minty fresh, I'm just going to move the Mini back here so then I can do all the work that needs to be done. I want to clean the interior out, take these carpets out and wet vac them. Then all wheels are coming off. I want to get behind everything and tighten everything up, make sure nothing is loose and not going to fall off. Yeah, come back tomorrow when all this is dry and we get the Mini done. Some stuffs came today to get the Mini sorted. Loads of detailing stuff and a big pressure bottle as well, so I can use that detar and stuff and the TFR. Get all the shit off the Mini. Gonna take the wheels off, get all in behind it cleaned, tighten everything, make sure everything's tight because the Mini is a bit unstable under speed because it does do 160 miles an hour because Honda baby. But we're going to open these in a few minutes and get everything set up to get the Mini jacked up and to get it sorted for Heatwave on Saturday. So there's all my cleaning stuff prepped. That's obviously for washing the cars. Then we have wheel cleaner, window cleaner, and then we have the TFR in this big bottle here. That's obviously going to get sprayed on the car first, wash it off, then wash the car, then do my tyre shine, clean the windows, whichever. But I'm not going to bore you with washing the car and cleaning it. I'm going to show you underneath the car when I jack it up, because that's the main issue, the dirt. And I have a new gasket for the sump, and I have a new washer and stuff. I need to go get new oil and an oil filter, and then that's it. I'll show you underneath the car once I jack it up. Now, typical Ireland, looks like it's gonna absolutely piss rain, but we'll show you the issue with underneath here. If you can see, loads of oil. So this sump gasket might be a bit of a pig to do due to the manifold. I might have to take manifold off and then do the sump, but what I want to do first is I want to clean it all off, get it absolutely clean before I take it off, because it could be absolutely filthy under there. But I think I'm missing a bolt there. We'll figure that out in a minute, and let's get everything cleaned up and off. I won't bore you with the cleaning, so let's get all this done. Here's a good before, and we'll do an after of under here once it's done. Now guys, just a bit of TFR and pressure washing. You can see the difference. It's literally immaculate under there. Now I need to figure out, I'm going to try and get this off without taking off the manifold, because it's a bit of a pig, but I might be able to drop the manifold a bit. It's a sump gasket. The sump goes from here all the way across, and it's really tight to the subframe, so it might not drop down enough, but sure, we'll figure it out as we go. I'm not going to bore you again by getting it off, but we're just going to get it off, cleaned up, new gasket, and back on. So guys, we're under the Mini and it's looking a lot cleaner. I do like how clean it's coming up, but I have a dilemma. Do I try fix the car now or wait until after Heatwave? Like, it's not leaking that bad. It has loads of oil in it. Do I just clean it up and then take it off the road for a week, remove everything, clean it all up, and then do the gasket? Maybe. I think that's the best plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the wheels off, clean each wheel properly so then they're minty fresh, and then I'm going to tighten everything up, give everything a turn, and make sure that everything is tight and safe for the drive. And then we're going to do some custom bits and pieces. I need to cover up some holes. It was pissing rain the last time I was driving the car, and there was water coming in the car, so it's obviously leaking in through somewhere in around the bulkhead. I did find a big hole where the loom goes in, so maybe I'll just try and cover that with plate or so. We can just drill holes and rivet something into it. But yeah, let's crack on and get this done. I'm gonna get the wheels off and get all underneath and behind the wheels all clean and make sure everything is safe and tight. So that's everything done underneath the Mini. All the wheels cleaned inside and out. Also fixed the bolt that was missing here, so the bumper's rock solid. This side is all done. Everything's tightened up. Everything's tidied up underneath the engine bay. I'm just going to TFR the whole car, blast it down and give it a wash. So we'll come back when she's clean. Right, yo, that's the Mini all prepped minter. Wheels came up really nice all around under the arches, came up really nice. A few repairs done, back looking really tidy. Don't use chemicals on your stickers, that's just a normal printed sticker, but wheels came out minty fresh. Done a fix down here, done some new bolts on there, and then new bolt on here. Bumper isn't falling off anymore, no cable tie, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, just a few more bits and pieces to do, but that's us ready for Heatwave. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like, comment. Peace out, and I shall see you on the next one.